pinakahinahangaang American Idol today, live na live nating makakasama ngayon. Si David Archuleta nandito sa Kids Today! Napaka-special ng episode na ito dahil isang buong oras ng kantahan at kwentuhan ang ihahandog natin kasabay ng isang matinding saludo. Celebrating David Archuleta's music mula nung una natin siya makilala sa American Idol.
At syempre, hindi na natin malalagpasan kung pagdaanan niya nito. Let's just without knowing more about him, of course. Ito na siya, David Archuleta!
Hey, David!
Welcome to SIS!
Welcome to the Philippines and welcome to SIS!
Hi!
Hey!
Hi! Hi, I'm Carmina. I'm Carmina.
I'm Janice. And I'm Jelly.
And
Jelly!
Jelly?
As in jelly beans.
Oh, that's your
Jelly.
name.
Yeah.
Wow, Jelly.
But not a
Hey,
few of you
welcome to
today.
SIS!
Hey! Wow, there are a lot of people here.
Yes, all because of you.
We've been waiting for you.
Oh, yes.
Oh, thanks. Well, this is crazy. Wow. Thanks so much, you guys, for coming.
At eto na, David will be joining us for 1 whole hour. So stay tuned mga sis dahil isa na naman ang matinding kwentuhan at kantahan ito. Kaya tutok lang dito sa #1 morning show ng bayan, ang